बोर्ड पुन्हा साइड है ही والله kamu satu sana ya itu sana kamu satu sana
Assalamu alaikum. We welcome our guest of honor for today, Chief Guest, Deputy Commissioner and CEO LAHDC, Rakesh Kumar sir, our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Kacho Liaquat Ali Khan sir, our Medical Superintendent, Dr. Mohammad Abbas sir, our Advisor Bakaria and Senior Physician Vilayat sir, our Indian Academy of Pediatrics faculty with 2 groups of instructors and potential instructors, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Devata, Professor in HOD, Department of Pediatrics, VAMMC and Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi, Dr. Suresh Kumar Angurana, Additional Professor, Division of Pediatric Critical Care, Pediatric Emergency and PICU, Department of Pediatrics, Advanced Pediatric Center, PGI, Chandigarh, Dr. Shalu Gupta, Director Professor, Pediatrics in charge, PICU and Emergency, Lady Hardinge Medical College and Kalavati Saran Children Hospital, New Delhi. Our potential instructors, Dr. Muhammad Arshad, Assistant Professor, GMC, Baramulla, Dr. Shaukat Hussain Tali, Assistant Professor, GMC, Anantnag. We welcome our participants from both Leh and Kargil district, our volunteers of Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center. For the first time in UT Ladakh, Indian Academy of Pediatrics in collaboration with Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center has organized a 3-day certified course for training doctors and paramedical staff along with our volunteers in basic life support and advanced life support. I request our President, Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center, Dr. Ahmed Ali, to welcome our chief guests. We welcome you, sir. Chief Medical Officer, Liaquat sir, we welcome you, sir. Our Medical Superintendent, Abbas Ali, sir. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Devata, Professor in HOD, Department of Peds, VMMC and Safdarjung Hospital. Dr. Suresh Kumar Angurana, Additional Professor, Division of Pediatrics, Critical Care, Pediatric Emergency and PICU, Department of Pediatrics, PGI, Chandigarh. Dr. Shalu Gupta, Director Professor, Pediatrics, in charge PICU and Emergency, Lady Hardinge Medical College and Kalavati Saran Children Hospital. Our potential instructors, Dr. Muhammad Irshad, Assistant Professor, GMC, Baramulla, Dr. Shaukat Hussain Tali, Assistant Professor, GMC, Anantnag. We welcome you, sir. Associate Professor, we welcome you, sir. Now our worthy President, Dr. Ahmed Ali, will give a brief introduction about our firm.
Center, Assalamu alaikum, Jule, and Namaskar. A very warm good afternoon to all of you to this opening ceremony of our certified training course for 3 days on ALS and BLS. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you all on behalf of Bhakre Healthcare and Research Center Kargil to this special occasion, the inaugural ceremony of the 3-day BLS Basic Life Support and ACLS training course being held here at our Bhakre complex, Bemathang, Kargil. We are deeply honored to have among us today the worthy Deputy Commissioner of Kargil, who has kindly agreed to grace this program as the chief guest. Sir, your presence here is not just encouraging but also a clear reflection of your commitment to the advancement of healthcare services and medical preparedness in our region. We thank you sincerely for your time spared and support. This training program being conducted in collaboration with the Indian Academy of Pediatrics for the first time in UT Ladakh brings together eminent doctors and certified instructors who have been at the forefront of emergency medical training across the country. Their expertise will undoubtedly enrich our healthcare professionals here in Kargil and Leh district, equipping them with the critical skills required to respond swiftly and effectively to life-threatening emergencies. At Bhakre Healthcare and Research Center Complex, we strongly believe, we, the members of Bhakre, believe that capacity building and continuous medical education are cornerstones of quality healthcare delivery. And this 3 days training program is one of our ongoing programs on continued medical educations being delivered to doctors since its inception in 2007. Through initiatives like these, we aim to strengthen not just the individual skill sets of our doctors and paramedics, but the overall emergency response system of the district and beyond. To all the participants, this is more than just a course. It is an opportunity to be the difference between life and death in critical situations. I urge all you to encourage fully, learn earnestly, and carry forward this life-saving knowledge into your workplaces. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the organizing team, the faculty members of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, trainers and instructors from IIP, local healthcare system, doctors from both the districts, doctors coming from straight away from Leh, traveling more than 230 kilometers, and my volunteers who work tirelessly to make this program possible. Let us together make these 3 days impactful, insightful, and truly transformative for the future of emergency medical care in both the districts. Once again, I welcome you all to Bhakre for the 3 days certified training course. Established in the year 2017 with the members just including 14 to 15 people only here at this place only. That time we were not having any well-developed infrastructure. Okay. Next. So established in 2007 by the founder was late Sheikh Hussain Zakri, running from for the last 15 years. Very soon we expect to celebrate Silver Jubilee of BSc and RC. Next slide. Bhakre carries on multi-speciality OPD here at this complex. Till date, the number of this figure is only up to 2024. These are the OPD patients seen here at Bhakre since its inception. Next slide. We have a diagnostic center, minimal charges, free for the poor and destitute. A diagnostic center, BSc and RC, that is located 1.5 kilometers away from this place in Main Bazar, where you have all the investigations, biochemistry and hematological. We have a digital X-ray, ultrasonography, and ECG and echo facility. Next slide. We are the first health organization to launch critical care ambulance in UT Ladakh. That time, UT Ladakh was with the S12 J&K state, and a critical care ambulance was not available here in UT Ladakh, and we are the first organization to have a critical ambulance and save it many precious lives. We have 3 normal ambulances now. First slide. These ambulances are being used for shifting of patients outside, inside districts, outside J&K also. Patients shifted to outside districts till December 2024 is 312. Routine ambulances are also used for transporting those dead bodies from district hospital and elsewhere. Next slide. We launched actually in 2008. We had a surprise figure of positive hepatitis B in our blood bank. Who informed me, and it was our senior physician, Dr. Vilayat, who informed the district administration that time that a particular village was found to be infected with a high prevalence of hepatitis B. But unfortunately, because of the social stigmas, we could not, the administration also could not intervene that time because of the social stigma associated with hepatitis B, and the education about, health education about regarding hepatitis B was not good enough that time. So Bakria started with a threadbare discussion on this hepatitis B, how to deal with this, and after a thorough discussion, we thought of launching a fight against hepatitis B. And in 2011, we started our fight on ground level with IEC regarding hepatitis B, and it took us around 7 to 8 years. And in 2018, we launched our program as Mission Hepatitis B Free Kargil 2020 as the slogan. And we started screening patients throughout Kargil and then immunizing with the 3 doses of against hepatitis B. Because of the COVID-19 in 2019, we could not continue with the same hepatitis B vaccination. It took us to extend the mission to 2022, but still we continued our mission in Zanskar during the COVID time also. This mission was completed and accomplished in 2022 as Mission Hepatitis B Free Kargil. Almost 80,000 patients population were screened, and more than 60,000 persons were immunized against hepatitis B. All the cases who were found to be positive were screened and further evaluated, and those requiring treatment were given treatment with antivirals, and majority of the patients are still under follow-up and supervision. Next, during COVID-19, the this program was launched because of the lockdown. Patients who had other ailments, important cardiovascular, diabetes, those with psychiatric ailments, because of the lockdown, they could not afford to get their medicines because of the lockdown. And we launched a mission of medicines delivering at doorsteps. We got the magistrate permission and then started getting prescriptions online. Then the important and life-saving medicines were supplied at doorstep through our ambulances, and that to save it many lives other than because of COVID-19. Bakria Healthcare has its mission against many other health aspects on priority basis. We run school health programs. We participate in public gatherings. We have launched a mission for the sisters as a menstrual sisters program for sisters program on menstrual health and hygiene. This program was launched initially in District Kargil, and now we have expanded it to District Leh also, and it's running smoothly in Leh district, wherein we give information and health education on menstrual hygiene and stigmas, and then free distribution of menstrual cups, which is highly acceptable and hygienic, both hygienic and environment is. Then we conduct routinely we conduct these specialty camps. The main reason is to curb the financial impact on our population. Recently, we concluded our total knee and hip replacement surgery, wherein we did 40 knee surgeries, knee replacements, one hip replacement, total hip replacement, 2 arthroscopic surgeries, and 1 minimally invasive shoulder surgeries. These patients were given financial assistance also from Bakre Healthcare, and also we used the Ayushman card to get the benefit of Ayushman Bharat. Prior to this, we conducted neurosurgery camps wherein we conducted several neurosurgical procedures at District Hospital Kargil. We are very thankful to our Deputy Commissioner for cooperation and allowing us to carry on these multi-speciality and super speciality surgical camps in District Kargil associated with District Hospital Kargil. These are few glimpses of those cases where inauguration and then doctors, super specialist doctors in their OPDs talking to the patients, consulting, giving treatment to these patients. Next slide. These are the knee replacement cases. We are shifting these patients from OT to post-operative cases. This is the recent photograph where I have discharged my operated cases of knee. He is the youngest man, 30-year-old man, boy. He's serving there at a local tea stall. He had severe osteoarthritis right hip. He was operated for total hip replacement, free of cost. We assisted financially. These are the hearing aids we provide to the patients. Next slide. These are the volunteers. School health program. Next slide. This was the first slide. During COVID सर ये हम concentrators provide करते हैं भी COVID-19 के टाइम पे. Next slide. Concentrators given to those patients. This is high flow oxygen. Next slide. COVID-19 financial assistance, more than 30 lakhs were given this year to cancer patients. These are ambulances participating in various activities. Menstrual health and hygiene. Next slide. Our volunteers during a ceremonial program. Winter glimpse at Bakre. Next. An inaugural summit of multi-specialty camps. Our endoscopy section where the endoscopist carrying on a procedure, endoscopic procedure. This is the endoscopy, Olympus endoscopy downstairs. We have it. A continuing medical education recently conducted on neurosurgery, gastroenterology, pulmonology, and nephrology. Next slide. These are our upcoming programs. School health program, drug abuse, and our fight against drug abuse and addiction, lifestyle disease. We have to launch Cancer Society. It is registered now. Inshallah, sir, very soon we will be launching this. And I request our Deputy Commissioner to please. We hope to launch a fight against cervical cancer, and we will try to get vaccine against papillomavirus. Expansion of prioritized healthcare activity in Leh district also. We are very in near future we are establishing a diagnostic facility at Leh also. This is the state award given to Bakre. Our dream. Thank you, sir.
Critical care and saving lives, precious lives is our aim. Now, Dr. Shalu Gupta will brief us about Indian Academy of Pediatrics and today's program.
Thank you. Respected Deputy Commissioner Sir, Shri Rakesh Kumar Ji, CMO Kargil, Dr. Liaquat Ali, Medical Superintendent Dr. Abbas Ali, Senior Faculty from Bakaria Foundation, Dr. Vilayat, and President Dr. Ahmed Ali. We, on behalf of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, are really grateful to be present over here, and I thank from all of my esteemed faculty who is there, the great hospitality which we have received. Coming to the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, I think it's one of the largest body of India, which encompasses over more than 40,000 pediatricians spread all over the India. So this is an organization which is dealing with all the skills which pediatrics, primarily headquartered at Mumbai. And this program which we have been conducting here is the Indian Academy of Pediatrics flagship program, which includes the basic life support, and subsequently tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will be having the advanced life support course. So these are two programs which are basically meant to enhance our skills in basically identifying sick children, critically sick children. BLS is basically a program which is meant both for adults and children. But the next program which we are going to hold tomorrow and day after tomorrow is primarily focused on pediatricians and all those healthcare providers who are taking care of children. So we need to identify early sick childs and to stabilize them before they actually crash and develop difficulties in managing further. So this is in brief about our programs, and I'm really thankful to all my instructors who have come all the way, Dr. Pradeep Depta all the way from Delhi, Dr. Suresh from Chandigarh, we have also our esteemed faculty from Kashmir also who has joined us, very two eminent faculty from GMC Anantnag and from GMC Baramulla, Dr. Shaukat and Dr. Irshad. So I think we have a great faculty who is going to teach you for the next 2 days also on minute aspects of the advanced life support courses, especially if we talk about pediatrics as the baseline. Thank you very much.
I hope we learn a lot from you, sir, in the next 2 days. Today's session was great. Now our worthy District Commissioner, Rakesh Kumar, sir, our young and dynamic Deputy Commissioner, sir, please, you're welcome on the stage to share your thoughts on this occasion. Thank you. You want anything, sir?
Respected CMO साहब, MS डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल करगिल, बकरिया फाउंडेशन की तरफ से हमारे प्रेसिडेंट साहब, सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स फ्रॉम इंडियन एकेडमी ऑफ पेडियाट्रिक्स, डॉक्टर शालू गुप्ता, डॉक्टर सुरेश जी, डॉक्टर प्रदीप कुमार एंड डॉक्टर शौकत, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इरशाद. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम एवरीवन. नमस्कार, जुले, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. मुझे भी खुद यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा लगा. पहली बार मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ कि फाउंडेशन की तरफ से क्या क्या चीज़ें ऐसी हो रही हैं मैं भी देख रहा हूँ. मतलब फ़र्स्ट टाइम मैंने PPT देखा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि करगिल एक ऐसी जगह है, पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम है, एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो यूजुअली जो हेल्थ केयर सपोर्ट होता है वो गवर्नमेंट ही प्रोवाइड करती है. उसमें प्राइवेट इसलिए नहीं प्रोवाइड करते ज़्यादा क्योंकि उनके लिए इतना प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होता. और उस केस में जैसे बकरिया फाउंडेशन हेल्थ केयर एंड रिसर्च सेंटर हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है, वो एक तरह से हमारा बर्डन कम कर रहा है. और मैं तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपने जो लास्ट में अपनी ड्रीम दिखाई वो बहुत जल्दी अचीव हो जाए, क्योंकि उससे हमारा भी बहुत हद तक बर्डन दूर होगा. और जिस तरह आज कोर्स की बात की यहाँ पे BLS बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट और एडवांस लाइफ सपोर्ट, जैसे सीमो साहब ने बताया कि हम बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट का कोर्स ऑलरेडी कराते हैं, हम रेगुलर लेवल पे कराते हैं स्कूल में, जो कि हर को पता होना चाहिए इतना बेसिक होता है. और इवन हम हमारी नॉर्वे जैसे कंट्रीज़ में जाएं तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि हेल्थ को एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ हमारा जो ना कोर्स मानते हैं, स्कूल स्टडीज़ मानते हैं. तो आप बेसिक बच्चे से पूछोगे ना, उनको सबको पता रहता है कि प्रोटीन क्या है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट कहाँ है, कौन सी चीज़ से क्या मिलेगा मुझे, कौन सी चीज़ से क्या नुकसान है. तो मैं सीमो साहब से ये बोल रहा था कि जैसे हम ये छोटे छोटे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम कराते हैं। छोटा छोटा हमें स्कूल लेवल पे एक बेसिक हेल्थ अवेयरनेस टाइप होना चाहिए कि क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या पीना चाहिए, कौन सी बीमारी कैसे होती है वगैरह वगैरह, एक हमारा सिलेबस का पार्ट ही होना चाहिए हैं। इसके लिए भी हम कुछ डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं कि जैसे वहाँ पे करते हैं वैसे हमारे यहाँ पे भी होना चाहिए, क्यों ना, मतलब क्योंकि उससे क्या होगा कि आधा बर्डन, क्योंकि आजकल जो बीमारियाँ हो रही हैं वो जो ट्रेडिशनल बीमारियाँ, ऑर्थोडॉक्स बीमारियाँ जो पहले चलती थी वो नहीं हो रही हैं। आजकल बीमारियाँ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़ टाइप की बीमारियाँ हो रही हैं, और उनको हमारे खान पान, रहन सहन, लाइफस्टाइल, पहले करगिल में भी रोड कहीं पे एक्सेस नहीं होगा तो लोग पैदल चलते थे, अब घर तक गाड़ी जाती है, लाइट नहीं थी, हर चीज़ की फैसिलिटी नहीं थी, तो लोग क्या होता है एक्सरसाइज बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी, तो बहुत सारे नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़ हमारी करगिल के आवाम की रीत से ही दूर थे। अब वो धीरे धीरे इंटरवीन कर रहे हैं, और हमें इसी स्टेज पे है कि इन चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करना है। हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से एक जॉइंट सर्वे भी हम करा रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारे बेसिक जो हेल्थ के पैरामीटर हैं पूरी पॉपुलेशन के, सून हम रिलीज़ करेंगे, उस सर्वे को भी लॉन्च करेंगे, ताकि हमारा ग्राउंड लेवल पे हम वो सर्वे के थ्रू बेसिक हेल्थ पैरामीटर आइडेंटिफाई कर लें कि हमारी आवाम के बीच में कौन कौन सी बीमारियां ऐसी हैं जो कॉमन हैं, और कौन कौन सा रीजन है जो कौन कौन सी टाइप की बीमारियों से ग्रसित है, ताकि हम उनको ऑन स्पॉट उसी वे में जहाँ जैसी नीड हो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको टैकल कर लें। और आज सिंस यहाँ पे इंडियन एकेडमी ऑफ पीडियाट्रिक की तरफ से प्रोफेसर्स आए हैं, मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट आपसे है कि आप एक दिन और टाइम निकालें। हमारे जहाँ पे भी पेडियाट्रिक की फैसिलिटीज़ हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, प्लस हमारे CHCs में भी आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ दिस में प्रोवाइड करते हैं। जहाँ जहाँ प्रोवाइड करते हैं एटलीस्ट आप एक विजिट करें, और हमें थोड़ा सा इसमें भी एक आपकी एक डिटेल रिपोर्ट सबमिट करके जाएँ कि किस तरह हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं इस चीज़ में। उससे एक हमें अच्छा फ़ायदा ये होगा कि एक राइट डायरेक्शन हमारे भी पूरी स्टाफ को मिलेगी, जो क्योंकि ये सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन वाली चीज़ें हैं जिसमें हमें भी एक अच्छा डायरेक्शन मिलेगा। स्पेशलाइजेशन की जहाँ तक बात हो, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में हम कवर कर रहे हैं, और होपफुली हम धीरे धीरे सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं इन चीज़ों को, क्योंकि करगिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मेजरली जो डील करता है करगिल हॉस्पिटल है। देन हमें बकरिया फाउंडेशन और फाउंडेशन जितनी भी हैं, जितनी NGO टाइप, वो हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो मोर और लेस जितनी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी हम यहाँ प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो मोर और लेस फ्री होती है, और ऑलमोस्ट आयुष्मान हेल्थ कार्ड के थ्रू कवर होती है। तो हमारा भी यही होता है कि सब मिलके हम एटलीस्ट करगिल को सेल्फ सफिशिएंट टाइप बना लें, ताकि हमें ये रेफरल वगैरह बहुत कम करने पड़े, और यहीं पे हम सारे जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, जितने भी बेस बीमारियां हैं, उनको यहीं पे निजात कर लें। तो वंस अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक इंडियन एकेडमी ऑफ पीडियाट्रिक, बकेरिया हेल्थ केयर एंड रिसर्च सेंटर कि आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा ये कोर्स ऑर्गेनाइज़ करा है। रेगुलर लेवल पे आप ये ऑर्गेनाइज़ करें, स्पेशली आप ये जो स्पेशलाइजेशन आपने दिखाई थी कि जैसे नी रिप्लेसमेंट आपने कराया, इस टाइप की चीज़ें आप रेगुलरली कराते रहें, और देन नॉट ओनली करगिल सेंट्रिक कराने के बजाय हम पॉकेट्स में कराते रहें। जैसे आपने आज यहाँ करा ली तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से हो रही है, तो कहीं दूसरे सेंटर में एक जॉइंटली टाइप की चीज़ें हो जाए, रेदर देन कोई एक ही चीज़ रिपीट होने की बजाय हम पॉकेट्स में सारी चीज़ें कवर कर पाएँ, ताकि हमारी आवाम को जितनी भी हेल्थ केयर की फैसिलिटी हो वो अपने उनके डोर स्टेप पे मिल जाए या उनके नियर बाय मिल जाए, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेवल और परेशान होने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Affordable and quality healthcare is the aim of Bakaria Healthcare and Research Center. I was happy to know that administration and CMO sir, we have been organizing basic life support in schools. We should also organize it for common public also, sir, like in bus stands and there where they work. Professional instructors can go there and yeah, exactly sir, bus stand, taxi stand, they can
वहीं पे आप हम सबको एक बार यूनियन को भी हम बुलवा दें,
exactly sir, because they need it indeed sir, indeed. And this is to be done at regular basis. This is what we expect from you, sir. Next 2 days will be very interactive and beneficial for all of us. Let's hope and we'll break up for a tea. And today's session has been already done, sir, because this is a 3 days course. Basic life support has got over today. Advanced life support will be tomorrow and day after. So thank you so much. Thank you participants and volunteers. Most of all,
Hypothermia, right? Hypothermia, you can touch the child and find out. glycemia, you need lab investigation or bedside glucose testing, right? So these are the H's. और T's क्या क्या है? What are the T's? Tension pneumothorax, trauma. In that setting of trauma, you suspect tension pneumothorax or tamponades. In elderly patient, thrombosis of coronary arteries, pulmonary arteries based on the previous illnesses, toxin exposure, toxin if there is any circumstantial evidence while doing CPR, so you come to know that there may be some toxin is there, right? ठीक है? Yeah, these are the list of the 6 H and 6 T's.
So these are H and T's. If you have started CPR and he is not responding, then you should start thinking कि कहाँ पे like is something which I am missing, and then you should start actively looking for many of these things simultaneously. So that is where the importance of team comes. One of your team member can actually, maybe if he is not, you're not able to look for acidosis, you need a blood gas, isn't it? So one of the member can go and get a blood gas, or maybe check a blood sugar to look for hypoglycemia, or maybe do an electrolytes, point of care electrolytes to look for whether there is a hypo or hyperkalemia. So these things are simultaneously going on in resuscitating a child.
Particularly whenever you are not getting the result, being high quality CPR being given, then start suspecting if any of these causes is there.
History of the patients.
Yeah.
History. Of course, for that toxins and drugs that you
Absolutely. So one of your team member, I showed you a triangle. There were 2 other members. So one of the team member can actually take the history during that. Once you are doing resuscitation, the other person can go and talk to the patients to look for whether any of these is there. An elderly patient, bedridden patient, there are very high chances that there would be underlying some thromboembolism. So you can institute therapies for that. Right?
Yeah, it's not कि one person is only for recording purpose, but the team leader himself can be the recorder. He can take up the recording role. He can guide the team also, right? Or the person who is for the taking history from the family or talking to the family, he can take the record of events.
In the case file or
Case file, yeah, yes.
So basically, this is what we have showed is an ideal situation. But most of you know that we are working in a non-ideal situation most of the times. इतने लोग हमारे पास कभी मिलेंगे नहीं.
actually, you have to best utilize your
Yeah.
team.
So maybe one person who is taking care of the airways, when he is not doing an airway, he can look for another thing. Or the person who is doing chest compressions, if he is not doing chest compressions, he can double up as another thing. So you need to really Indianize things. वो जुगाड़ टेक्नोलॉजी सुनी है सर, वो लगानी पड़ेगी.
do we have a name for this tape, sir, for IAP?
This is called an Inchi tape. It's a short form Inchi tape, Indian length based tape
for children.
for children.
It should be available, sir.
Yeah, it is not yet commercially available, but we are in the process of doing it soon.
But Broslow tapes, they are available online also.
But they are expensive. A single tape Broslow costs somewhere around I think 4,000 to 5,000.
So अभी हमने 4-5 लेक्चर हो गए हैं. Any doubts और comments आपके कुछ हैं? Doubts, questions? You want to clarify anything?
सेविंग जो मेजर्स कर रहे हैं तो साथ में सीपीआर कंटिन्यू होगा.
Ah, yes. Yeah, yes. You maybe have to stop briefly for inserting the tube and taking suture, but CPR has to be continued. You're not going to do insert tube while doing CPR. You may be just needle thoracocentesis, right? You're just inserting a needle under water.
Underwater seal कहते हैं ना. Clear? So एक बार attendance लेते हैं. So I would like to just have your attendance and then we'll be dividing into 2 groups now. So now we'll be having some hands-on experience. Sir mannequins लगा लें एक बार वो join कर लीजिए. Adult वाली mannequins.
क्या करना है?
Join कर लीजिए. So we have Dr. Abbas Ali. Okay, Dr. Zahid is there. Dr. Navki Baba. Huh? She is a consultant. Nafisa, yeah. Dr. Hussain. Yeah. Dr. Spelchin. Yeah. Dr. Shazia Naz. Dr. Batul. Dr. Batul is there. Dr. Syed. Dr. Ali. Mushtaq Ali, something like that. Murtaza Ali. Yeah. Dr. Razia. Dr. Abdul. Abdul is there. Abdul Hussain, pharmacist. He is there. Yeah. Shabnam. Dr. Shabnam. Dr. Shabnam is not there. No, Shabani. मेडिकल ऑफिसर तो मेहंदी बोल रहा था ये तो पूरा नाम नहीं लिखा डॉक्टर नसरीन फातिमा डॉक्टर तबस्सुम डॉक्टर पद्मा डॉक्टर नफीसा या 2 बार थोड़ी होगा Yeah, that was Dr. Nargis Bawa. Banu, yeah. Right. And Dr. Iftikhar Ali is there. Dr. Liaquat Ali.
Dr. Liaquat.
Okay. Ghulam Hussain. ये टीम से है ना आपकी? Volunteers. Mohammad Yunus. Anybody who is left? So we'll be dividing it into. कोई रह गया है? क्या नाम है? या 2 1 2 नहीं 3 नहीं 1 2 1 2 बस
इसके लिए गॉस पीसेस हैं हमारे पास ये टिश्यू पेपर से करें फिर
इधर से 1 थे और 2 वाले दूसरे रूम में चले जाएंगे
यहाँ पे कौन सा वाला है सर
यहाँ अडल्ट वाला है सर यहाँ बिछा दें सर
कौन कर रहा है वो कौन कर रहा है इतना जगह
poisoning. You know what is circumstantial evidence and how does it help? ठीक है अगर उसने कुछ खाया होगा तो वहीं पड़ा होगा पास में. So why it is important to know all these things? Because absolutely. So if you have antidote, so that is why the importance of calling for team. So you can at least activate the team. आपके पास तो नहीं होगा, but you can call your team and say कि हाँ इसके साथ ये है. Please arrange that thing. Arrange anti-snake venom, arrange atropine, etc. Whatever you think. ठीक है. So that is why the importance of circumstantial evidence comes.
Substantial evidence of drug abuse or poisoning.
Assess the victim for a response.
Hey, are you listening to me?
And if there is no response, shout loudly.
So then after you have done this, the next step comes is
Assess for response.
assess for. So that is I think the first step in your CPR where you look for responsiveness. ठीक है और कैसे देखेंगे responsiveness? Either you can shout, if you know the name you can call the name, or you can just tap him on the shoulders, tap him on the back, or tap him on the force. If he's a infant, you can tap him on the sternum.
Help or activate the emergency response system using mobile device if appropriate, or send someone to get an AED or defibrillator and emergency equipment.
Somebody please activate the emergency response system and get an AED.
This has different meaning in different situations. For example, if a victim has cardiac arrest within a healthcare facility, you are going to call for the code blue team or rapid response team. If you are outside the healthcare facility, you can call nearby ambulance service or nearby hospital. In some states in India, there is a number to call for emergency response, example 112 or 108. Look for normal breathing and carotid pulse simultaneously as the person who is performing the chest compression is sitting by the side of the victim. It is easier for him to feel the pulse. Using 2 to 3 fixed.
So after you have checked for responsiveness, the next steps come is
Emergency response.
activate the emergency response. So don't jump. If you're found unresponsive, you have to first call for help, because that person will take time to come to you. Then the next step comes is check pulse and breathing simultaneously. You have to do it together. And how do you check for pulse? In adults, it is carotid. You know how to palpate the carotids. Anybody who doesn't know how to palpate carotids? क्या? ये दोनों तरफ हिला रहा है सर. किधर वाला? इधर वाला, इधर वाला. कैरोटिड मालूम है क्या होता है? एक पल्स होता है. कर है? पैल्पेट करो. ये दिख रहा है ये? दोनों साइड से होता है. ये दोनों मत दबा देना. हाँ, दोनों मत दबा देना. ठीक है? तो ये वाला है. इसके साइड में बस स्लाइड करो फिंगर. स्लाइड, हल्का सा स्लाइड करो, थोड़ा अंदर दबाओ. बॉडी की सबसे बिगेस्ट आर्टरी है अपार्ट फ्रॉम aorta, which supplies the whole of your brain. ठीक है? Very important artery. तो you feel for carotids within 5 seconds. It says 10 seconds, but you have to be preferably, time नहीं lose करना हमें. I told you time is very precious over here. So within 5 minutes, if you are able to palpate, it is good. If you are not, please go ahead. Then go to the next step. Go to the next step. If you are not able to palpate pulse, then you
can locate the pulse. You can feel the pulse by sliding these fingers in the groove between the muscles at the side of the neck to determine the next appropriate action. Breathing and pulse check should not take more than 10 seconds. Next action will depend on victim's situation. If breathing is normal and pulse is present, monitor the...
So this is important. अगर आपने unconscious, if you found the patient unconscious, but he is breathing, तो क्या करेंगे? नहीं, ब्रीथ कर रहा है वो. पल्स तो होएगी. जब ब्रीथ कर रहा है तो पल्स होएगी. So you will, if you are looking for breathing and pulse, and if you find that there is normal breathing, so then you will place the person in recovery position. Recovery position समझते हैं क्या होता है? Left lateral position. So you will put the patient into left lateral. ठीक है? So that is one.
Till emergency help arrives or victim is taken to the hospital. If there is no normal breathing but pulse is present.
But if there is no breathing but pulse is there, तो क्या करेंगे? Rescue breathing. So we'll give rescue breaths every 12 to 20 seconds. अब ये थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है. Now it has become 20 to 30. ठीक है?
एडल्ट्स में भी?
पीडियाट्रिक्स में तो हो ही गया है.
If there is no breathing or no normal breathing and no pulse within 10 seconds, begin high quality CPR.
So CPR is provided only in one circumstance, when the patient is unresponsive and there is no breathing and no pulse. Only this condition. So all unconscious patients, I told you initially, all unconscious patients would not require CPR. Clear?
With cycles of chest compressions and breaths in 30:2 ratio. Starting with chest compressions using the CAB sequence.
He's not breathing. There is no pulse. Start CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. So the sequence to be followed is CAB. CAB stands for
Compression, airway, chest compression.
compression, airway, and breathing. So we'll talk about one rescuer. That is, you are alone now, and then you are doing.
As this will ensure at least 20 to 30% of blood flow.
So important thing, what they said, that even if you are doing the best chest compression, you are just going to achieve only 1/4 of your normal blood supply, which the heart normally does. Clear? And if you even stop that, you can imagine what will happen.
So we are going to learn chest compression.
Make sure that the victim is lying in a supine position on a firm, flat surface. While performing CPR, you must have a clear visible view of the chest. You may also be attaching the chest leads of the defibrillator or an AED during CPR. Hence, you should position yourself by the side of the victim. Remove any clothing so that the bare chest is clearly visible. Put the heel of one hand at the center of the bare chest over the lower half of the breastbone. Then put the heel of the other hand on the top of the first. Make sure your shoulders are exactly above your hands and your elbows must be straight and locked. Push hard and fast. Avoid pressing directly over the zippy sternum as it can lead to serious injury. Press down at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters with each compression and deliver the compressions in a smooth fashion at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Make sure that the chest recoils completely back after each compression. The time for chest compression and chest recoil must be approximately equal. After positioning the victim on a firm surface with your shoulders directly over the chest, press straight down. While doing so, your arms should be kept straight and elbows locked.
So important is position. So इन्होंने कुछ components बताए, क्या क्या थे? हैंड नहीं रखना, हील रखना है, यहाँ से नहीं, यहाँ से दबाना है, हील से करना है. दूसरा शुड बी अ फ्लैट एंड हार्ड सरफेस. ठीक है, मैट स्ट्रेट दिख रहा है. एल्बो इज स्ट्राइकली डायरेक्टली ओवर द चेस्ट, द प्लेस वेयर वर्किंग. और नॉट टू प्रेस द जिफी स्टर्नम. और कुछ so it should be at the rate of 100 to 120. Allow complete recoil, no interruptions, and the depth.
If you bend your elbows, you will fatigue your arm muscles more quickly. Compressions should be regular and smooth, giving same time for compression as well as relaxation. Be sure the heel of the hand is in contact with the chest wall at all times. Compress and release in a steady rhythm. Be sure to keep your fingers off the chest. Massaging or pressing on the chest with the fingers in contact with the chest wall may cause rib injury. One more error is rocking chair technique, where compressions are done from side instead of straight down. Bouncing compressions are not very effective and can cause internal organ injuries. If you keep your hand crossed, it will make it more difficult to apply the right pressure. If you do not bring your shoulders above the hand and stay in sitting position, the chest compression will remain ineffective.
So let us summarize most common mistakes which we must avoid during chest compressions.
Don't be a rocking rescuer. Avoid bouncing. Avoid bending. Avoid double cross technique. Avoid massaging and don't be a sitter.
So we need to avoid all these 6 once we are doing a CPR. Right, so
practice while watching video.
So let us start now practice. So आप लोग एक एक जना you can come on the mannequins and we can you will this gentle lady will prompt out and you have to coordinate with her now. ठीक है, but you have to take एक इधर आ जाए, एक इधर आ जाए. इफ्तिकार किसी को बोलना फोटोज ले ले थोड़े. उसको बोल दें वीडियो नहीं फोटोज. हाँ बोल देना किसी को ले ले. एक जना इस पे आ जाए. So we in consciousness we have checked that the patient we have activated the system. ठीक है, वो initial steps we have checked for pulse, we have checked for breathing. Now the patient is ready for CPR. ठीक है, so we are starting with the C part first. तो position कहाँ लेंगे hand की? नहीं, so lower third of the sternum can be different in a child, in an infant, in an adult. So how do you identify where to place your hand? So draw an internipple line. Connect both the nipples and keep your hand in the mid over that place. The heel should be there. ठीक है, नहीं आप गलत बैठे हैं. Right, and
Respective mannequins.
so she'll start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So, गड़बड़ थी कुछ?
हाँ.
क्या?
बीच में मैं एल्बोज फ्लेक्स हो गए सर.
हाँ नहीं, योर एल्बोज भी योर फ्लेक्सिंग एंड योर रेट वाज टू हाई जो इनकी काउंटिंग थी. सो व्हाई वी आर ट्राइंग टू कोऑर्डिनेट यू विद दिस रेट इज बिकॉज हाँ या वी हैव टू बी बिटवीन 100 and 120. वी कैनॉट ओवर शूट 120, वी कैनॉट गो बिलो 100. बट वहाँ टाइमर नहीं होता हमारे पास ना, बिकॉज घड़ी लेके तो कोई बैठा नहीं होगा. सो वी नीड टू हैव इन माइंड दैट क्या रेट हो. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी आर ट्राइंग टू कोऑर्डिनेट यू विद दिस रेट. इस रेट पे करेंगे यू विल बी समवेयर बिटवीन 100 and 120 per minute. ठीक है. योर चेस्ट कंप्रेशंस वर टू शैलो. पूरा डेप्थ दबानी है. ठीक है. एक दो हड्डी टूट जाएगी, चिंता मत करिएगा. ठीक है. बट प्रायोरिटी इज़ टू सेव लाइफ. ठीक है. दोबारा करें एक बार. पोजिशन and we have to, again I tell you, you don't have to press from your palm, you have to use your heel. ठीक है. You can use either a right or a left heel, that is immaterial depending on whether you are left handed or right handed, but you have to use your heel. Right. So we'll start again. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं आप, right left, that is immaterial.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So यहाँ से दबाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This should be your depth of compression. 1/3 दबाना है. 1/3. 1/3 means somewhere around 5 to 6 centimeters in an adult. And to press that amount, you need a lot of energy. ठीक है.
सर वो कहते हैं कि अगर आपका राइट हैंड डोमिनेंट है तो अगर आप ऊपर रखेंगे तो यू कैन डैमेज लेफ्ट हैंड.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. कुछ भी आप रख सकते हैं. चेस्ट कंप्रेशन देना है. आप जो डोमिनेंट हैंड है उसको नीचे रख लीजिए. इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इज वट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल. ठीक है. जो नॉन
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
और एक काउंटिंग अपने आप भी करते रहे. सो यू नो एट द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड कि अच्छा अब इतने हो गए हैं. और दूसरा, अगर आपके साथ एक और रेस्क्यूअर है, ही ऑल्सो नोज कि कितने कंप्रेशंस हो गए हैं. ठीक है. सो कीप ऑन काउंटिंग. दोबारा. इनका स्लो था थोड़ा जो था. यू हैव टू बी लिटिल बिट विद दिस रिदम.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
ग्रेट. और आ जाए दूसरा ग्रुप.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
थोड़ा और आगे आना है आपको. आप यू वर स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम द चेस्ट. योर हाँ, ये जैसे इनकी पोजीशन है ना, इनकी पोजीशन देखिए आप. सी हिज पोजीशन. ठीक है. दिस शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेट. राइट. आपका भी जैसे आप यू आर स्लाइटली दूर से कर रहे हो, पास आओगे. बिकॉज वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू दिस, बिकॉज इफ़ यू ट्राई टू प्रेस चेस्ट फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस यू विल गेट टायर्ड वेरी सून. द पावर टू जनरेट चेस्ट कंप्रेशन शुड कम फ्रॉम शोल्डर्स. शोल्डर से आनी है, एल्बोज से और यहाँ से नहीं आनी है. ठीक है. सो एक बार और करें.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, let us start. एक मिनट.
To synchronize the fit on your respective mannequins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
थोड़ा और आगे आइए. आगे आइए थोड़ा.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
यस गुड ठीक है इस बार यू डिड अ गुड चेस्ट कंप्रेशन थक
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
हाँ
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
जंप नहीं करना है
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
तुम्हारा स्लो है बहुत यू आर स्लो कहीं तो आप एनर्जी देंगे ना इसमें सो आपने एक पॉइंट बना लिया यहाँ पे अब एनर्जी जो आएगी वो ऊपर से आएगी ऐसे ठीक है ऐसे आएगी एनर्जी सो आई एम नॉट मूविंग माई एल्बो आई एम जस्ट मूविंग माई शोल्डर्स आई एम प्रेसिंग माई शोल्डर्स डाउन तभी तो पावर जनरेट होगी नहीं तो पावर जनरेट नहीं होगी आपकी थक जाएंगे जैसे थक गए हैं ठीक है सो क्विकली नेक्स्ट पार्ट आफ्टर द सी पार्ट कम्स इज ए पार्ट so A and B together.
Friends, in this video, we will learn the technique of opening airway and giving breath, also known as rescue breath. The correct technique is very important as this is done to keep the tongue out of the way so that the delivery.
So this is actually what we are doing by opening the airways. What do you mean by open the airways?
Like the
jaw thrust, right?
Jaw thrust यानी
Head lift, na?
head tilt chin. Jaw thrust कहाँ होता है? Trauma के patients में. But what are we going to achieve through head tilt chin lift?
Open the airway.
So what we are trying to do is, if this is your airway passages, just by opening the airways or just by tilting your head, otherwise what has happened in children, what will happen, this will collapse. ये tongue fall back कर जाएगी और ये collapse हो जाएगा. You have to slightly open this so that the airway passages become patent.
Of breath is defective. More than 10 seconds, otherwise the chest compression will be interrupted. So let us look at the step of opening airway and giving breath. We will now show you first how and then you can practice on your mind.
As per the new CAB guidelines, start chest compressions first and after 30 chest compressions, you are supposed to open the airway and give rescue breaths. Hence, your hand will be on the chest performing chest compressions, and from here, you will move towards opening the airway. Block the airway. Tilting the head should be performed by gently pushing the forehead back and not by pressing the bony part of the chin. The finger on the bony part is used to lift the chin forward so that the tongue moves forward and gets out of the airway. While holding the airway open, pinch the nose with your thumb and forefinger. Take a normal breath and cover the victim's mouth with your mouth and give 2 breaths. Remember, you don't have to take a deep breath. Just take a normal breath and give the rescue breath. Blow for 1 second each. While giving a rescue breath, you should constantly see the chest to make sure the chest is rising adequately. After giving breaths, go back to your position for chest compressions. If you give a breath and chest doesn't rise, quickly allow the head to go back to normal position and then open the airway again. Give another breath and make sure the chest rises this time. Remember, all these steps should be done quickly, taking no more than 10 seconds, that you can avoid interruptions of the chest compressions. If the chest doesn't rise, even after the second attempt, start regular chest compressions and avoid interruptions. Barrier devices like pocket masks.
So have you seen pocket masks? हैं? एक बार उठाना पीछे से. ये red masks which are available now in market. These are called as pocket masks, which you can carry in your luggage or maybe in your kit or tool kit. These are simple face masks. हम लोगों का inhibition होता है ना कि mouth to mouth कैसे दें, especially to an unknown person. It would be difficult for you to give mouth to mouth, isn't it? There are chances of maybe bad smell, odor, infection, etc., etc. So these mask comes handy, quite handy, and it is very simple mask. You just have to put it over here, 2 hands over here, fix the mask. My 3 fingers are here and 1 fingers are here on the bony part, not here, on the mandible. ठीक है? And just tilt it and give slow 2 breaths. Right? And you will see the chest rising. And then you leave it again and then you start again chest compression. So these are quite handy masks, very easily available nowadays. But if you don't have a mask, don't hesitate in giving mouth to mouth. What you can use is you can use some, like in hospitals we can use gauze pieces if available, or right. So we can practice on these mannequins. We talked about so we'll have now full sequence.
This is a practice while watching video. We will be showing you a video clip and you have to synchronize with it on your respective mannequins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Chest rise हुआ? Great, great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So again, wait नहीं करना है. हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है. देखिए, time is very precious. You have to do it within 10 seconds. Preferably less than 10 seconds. As early as possible. उसमें 2 breaths देनी है. और अगर breath थोड़ा adjust करने के बाद नहीं, if you are not able to give breaths, compression. So there is an entity which is called as Coles. You have heard that name? Anesthesia से कौन है? एक Coles करके entity होती है ना, COLS. Compression only chest compressions. ठीक है? So
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
करिए करिए करिए. काउंट करते हैं. थोड़ी ताकत लगानी है आपको. या गुड. सो ठीक है, गुड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आ जाए. समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Nose pinch, nose pinch. Yes, very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
करिए करिए. Count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, थक गए आपके ना, आप थोड़ा गुड आ जाओ, नेक्स्ट लोग आ जाए।
Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
आराम से आराम से आराम से।
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
दूसरा हैंड से दूसरा हैंड यूज़ करिए।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
1, 2.
So there is one video about the special situation.
Spine injury. Take all the precautions to avoid acute of this. The head and chin lift maneuver for opening the airway can cause significant movements in cervical spine, which in a child with trauma can aggravate the underlying cervical muscle. In such victims, to minimize movement of the head and neck, we give to perform a jaw thrust. This change from the head to the chin.
For this, we have to place the fingers on the angle of the jaw and lift the jaw forwards, moving the tongue away from the back of the throat and thus open
Cervical spine, and the rest of the sequence is same.
The patient is being changed to the other position also.
So if you are suspecting cervical spine injury, then there is no need to change the patient's position also.
What is the situation? Recovery position.
Recovery position, when the patient is having some pulses there, patient is breathing, but he is unconscious. So you don't know whether in those situations the airway is compromised, there is pooling of secretion, tongue falls back. So you have to place those patient in the recovery position. How you do that? If the patient is lying supine, you have to place one hand over here and one hand like this, and you flex the one leg and then rotate the patient so that he lies on his side. So that uska airway open ho jaye, secretion वगैरह drain होती रहे till he regain the consciousness. But this maneuver has not been done if there is suspicion of spine injury. Right?
So there may be three scenarios: no breathing, no pulse, CPR. On response C.
Your right hand.
Right? With whatever you are comfortable, जिससे भी आप right या left है.
Dominant hand.
ठीक है? हाँ, ठीक है. So you have to hold the child so that इसका जो इसका face है वो भी tilt नहीं होना चाहिए, and during giving back slap वो slip नहीं होना चाहिए नीचे. ठीक है?
थोड़ा सा इसमें आप ऐसे ये जो है ना, ये इसको ऐसे करेंगे तो नेक हेड थोड़ा डाउनवर्ड होगा, ऐसे है ना, थोड़ा डाउनवर्ड. देन आप ऐसे, नॉट लाइक दिस,
फॉरवर्ड फोर्स.
और यहाँ पे भी जब हम ऐसे टर्न करके कर रहे हैं, सो यहाँ पे भी जो थ्रस्ट दे रहे हैं डाउनवर्ड, है ना, नॉट लाइक जो हम ये पुश कर रहे हैं.
CPR जैसा नहीं करना, राइट?
तो थोड़ा सा हेड पोजीशन डाउन हो,
राइट? So with your hand you have to support the shoulder and face also.
ये क्यों ऐसे रख रहे हैं, ये जो ऐसे to support the baby. आप देते देते बच्चा,
ठीक है, और उसका मुंह पे कवर कर लिया तो फॉरेन बॉडी बाहर नहीं आएगा, तो उसको भी मुंह भी खुला होना चाहिए उसका. 5 कर लिया, then you rotate the baby like this and hold the shoulder को, then you do 5 chest thrust, right?
ऐसे तो डाउनवर्ड. जैसे कर लेते हैं, ये फोल्ड करो.
2 breaths given.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Note pinching of the bones. During the tournament, don't forget to use the रोकना नहीं है आगे तो कंटिन्यू योर ट्रीटमेंट फुल करना एटी अटैच्ड आपको बोलना
Analyzing heart rhythm.
हेड की पोजीशन देखिए, वो उसको पिंच करना है। या
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
क्या नाम है?
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of the patient. Deliver shock now. Shock delivered. Start CPR. Heart rhythm.
So during analyzing,
Do not touch the patient. Shock advised.
shock advised.
Charging. Stay clear of the patient.
Loudly you speak.
Stay clear. Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now.
Press it.
Shock delivered.
So 2 minutes.
27, 28, 29, 30.
2 minutes. And now you have to check the pulse. You have to switch over
Yes, sir.
your
Switch
position. Okay, na? And now you need to see the pulse also. Sorry.
Right, sir.
So pulse is palpable.
Palpable now, sir.
Breathing check करना है sir.
In the hospital, and by the you are running by the, going by the corridors, and you find some patient falling down and collapsing. How will you proceed?
We first check the
Do it.
case scenario, whether is a verified the scene area. Then we have to see the any other cause of this, or circumstantial evidences. Then we ask for the responsiveness of the patient.
Unresponsive.
One responsiveness. Then we have to start for the call for the head for the.
Very good.
Then we have to check the pulse. Then.
Pulse कहाँ पे? हाँ, ऐसे side में.
And check simultaneously.
No pulse, no breathing.
No breathing. We started with the CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
मैम थोड़ा सा डेप्थ और जाना है एंड 2 घंटे दैट हाँ थोड़ा सा
27, 28, 29,
30 हाँ
1, 2, 3, second respirator has arrived. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
Analyzing
30.
heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Charging. Stay clear of the patient. Shock advised. Deliver shock now. Shock delivered.
Start.
Stay clear of the patient. Start CPR.
करिए करिए करिए
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
5 cycles over.
Yes, sir. Check it again for the pulse and for the breathing, sir.
Breathing.
There is a
So there is no pulse, breathing is there.
again we will start.
Usually that condition doesn't happen. है ना, pulse breathing आ रहा है, pulse नहीं है. Usually you will not see that. Pulse is there, no breathing. Then you have to give
Rescue
very
breaths.
good. So both pulse and breathing both are there now.
Then recovery position.
Good, very good. अब जाइए उधर. आप आपका नाम बताइए.